The whole new Syma S39 is going to bring you a whole new flight experience. It's ready to fly when you get it. In the following process, you're free to pause the video at any time and learn the X39 accessories assembly with us. Next, install battery for aircraft. Now, open the remote controller's battery compartment and put the 4 self-purchased batteries into the battery compartment and finish battery installation. Finally, turn on the controller and aircraft. After matching is done, unlock the aircraft and begin to fly. When the aircraft's battery power is low, use the charging cable and connect the computer port for charging. When the indicator goes off, it means charging is finished. Ascend, descend, forward, backward, left rolling, right rolling, high and low speed switch, trimmer key, Syma S39 makes flying so easy.